My name is Mackenzie Taylor, and I'm a botanist, and I'm an associate professor of biology at Creighton University. When the dinosaurs were alive, the world would have looked very different than it does today. Today, most ecosystems are dominated by flowering plants, or plants that make flowers, but these types of plants didn't appear in the fossil record until the Cretaceous. So when dinosaurs were first appearing in the Triassic and the Jurassic, the forest would have been dominated by plants that make seeds, like conifers and cycads and ginkgos, but no flowers. There were also some extinct groups of plants that we don't see today, like Bennettitales, which would have looked a lot like cycads, but weren't that closely related to them, and seed ferns, which looked a lot like ferns, but were actually seed plants. And there also would have been ferns and horsetails on the forest floor. The first flowering plants that we recognize come from the early Cretaceous, and flowering plants became more dominant and would have been more present in these forests and through the mid-Cretaceous and to the late Cretaceous until they would have dominated those habitats by the end of the Cretaceous when dinosaurs went extinct. We know a little bit about what dinosaurs were eating by dinosaur poop. So we can find fossils of dinosaur food like leaves and even conifer wood inside dinosaur poop, which is fossilized, and this is called coprolites. We also can find some seeds in skeletons of dinosaurs for where their stomachs would have been. There are sometimes stomach contents like the seeds of cycads. Dinosaurs and cycads might have had a really unique relationship. Today, cycad leaves are toxic, and this was probably true about the cycads that lived with dinosaurs as well, and this would have limited how much dinosaurs would have eaten those leaves. But the seeds are large and they're really colorful, oranges and yellows and reds, and they're held together in cones, which would have been really attractive to herbivores. And so it's likely that dinosaurs were eating those seeds, and the seeds that have been found in dinosaur skeletons are not chewed up, so they would have passed whole through those dinosaurs. And so it's likely that those dinosaurs were actually dispersing those cycad seeds in the Mesozoic.